So this weekend we're out camping and I'm going to be trying out this TFGear SuperSize Sandwich Toaster. I haven't been out camping in ages. I'm very excited. Chose the best weekend of the year to do it. Thought it was going to be rainy this weekend, but luckily it's not. So let's crack this open. On the back it has a few things that it recommends you doing. I love that idea, putting some pasties in there. But yeah, you can just use it as a grill, to be honest. You don't really need to use it as a toasty maker. But today we're making sausage toasty sandwiches for our breakfast after a quite cold night last night. Yeah, pretty nice. This is what it looks like out of the box. Pretty clean. Yeah, the inside's just a little grill. Looks non-stick. Looks good. So we've had one toasty so far. We're just making another two. And I've got to say, it's really great. Not gonna lie, it's really great. Obviously, you're not wanting to take it with you if you're going wild camping or something and you don't have a lot of room. But if you're going camping, a proper campsite, you've got a car and stuff, honestly, might as well get one. You can cook everything in it. Just use it as a frying pan, so it's pretty great. Don't know how much it was. I wouldn't have thought it'd be more than £15. It was a present. I don't know, maybe it's £20 something. But it's really good quality and it's really sleek. Hasn't burnt up. Yeah, would recommend. It's a great little sandwich / pan thing. Oh no.